Hello, I'm Mark from markmcknight.net, and in this video we're going to build a home page on our website. So let's go over and go to Pages, Add New, and we'll add a page title. So I've already got some information written out here that I'm going to just copy and paste in. So the page title, that's what we're going to have. And we'll go down here to SEO title. We'll delete all that. We'll put our page title in here as well. The slug doesn't actually matter because we're going to be making this our home page and you'll not see the slug. So the next thing we're going to do is get more text in. We're going to have a heading. So this is how you do heading. You highlight the text and then you go up to paragraph and select heading 2. That's our first heading. And we're going to come and put the paragraph in this heading. And then we'll do another heading. Same again, highlight it and click heading 2, and we'll copy in the paragraph. So our page is starting to get formed nicely. Let's add another heading in. Page 2. Okay, see what's left. Yep, another couple of lines to go into that. So now we're going to add in our final heading, which is conclusion. Highlight it. H2. And you would just type these paragraphs in normally if you haven't already typed them up in a Word document, and then you can just copy and paste them in. And you can format them up here, bold and italic, whatever way you want to do them. So that's all our text pasted in. We'll just save that draft and we'll preview it to see what it looks like. So the page is starting to take shape nicely. So what we want to do is add a few images in. So I've already uploaded some images into the media library. That's where you would go in, just add them in. The images should be 690 pixels wide, and it doesn't matter how deep they are. But 690 pixels is the width of the page if you want them full size. So let's go back into our page. The first thing we'll do is we'll add a featured image. And I'll choose this one. That there is going to be our featured image. The next thing we're going to do is add another image, and we'll add it in just here. Go to add media. Choose your image. We'll choose this one. So creating your base, and we're going to be talking about creating a website. So we've got an image of a website. Okay, so the next image I think we'll put in about here. And it's talking about social media, so we'll see if we can find it. We'll use this image here of social media. And then the final image we'll put in just in the conclusion, just before the end, just to balance it out. So let's preview that and see what it's looking like now. So our featured image, we've got all our text for our home page. And the last thing we want to do is we want to add a link at the bottom of the home page. So I've written here, if you need help finding the right training course or mentor, feel free to reach out to me at any time. You can contact me here. So I will highlight this and go up to link, the little chain, and I'm going to link it to the contact page. So if you just start typing, it'll show you all your pages. So the contact page there, and that'll put a link into that page. So that's everything we need to do for this. We've got our title, slugs don't need to worry about, and we've got our title up here. So we're good to go with this. We can click publish, and then to get it to show up on the home page of the site, when we click this, we need to go in to settings, reading, and click your home page displays a static page, and we will choose the home page as the one we've just created and click save changes. And now if we go up here, click refresh. There's our home page added to our website. Now that we have our website starting to look more like a website for home page, we've got our contact page, we've got our bit about me. We want to show you how to set up your first blog post in category so you can carry on making more and more posts, and you can also have comments. So the first thing we need to do is go to posts and categories, and we'll set up our category first. So I'm going to call this category training. We'll type that in there. Try and spell it properly. The slug will automatically be training, and then we're going to also go down to Thrive dashboard and theme options, and we're going to go blog settings, and I'm going to turn everything off really. So I don't want my featured image to show in the post, but I do want it to show in the category listings, so I'm going to have that off. I'm going to turn off the author name, post date, post category and tags because I don't really need any of them. Don't want an author box either, and I don't want links to the next, previous and next posts. You can change all these around as you wish, but that's the way I want to have mine set up. I'm keeping the comments on because I'm going to be posting a training course. So I'm going to have my blog post is going to be a video page, and I'll have the comments on so people can leave me a comment or ask questions. So let's go to posts and get our new post created. So go to post, add new. So the first thing we're going to do is add our featured image, and we'll do that by set featured image. We'll go upload files, select a file, upload, and you can also put in your title and alt tag here. So I'm going to keep the title the same as the image name, just put some spaces in. Okay, set featured image. Next thing we're going to do is put in our title of our page, or post, sorry. The title of our post is going to be how to point your new domain name to your web hosting account, and we'll put that down here as well. I'm actually going to change this up here and put part 1, because this is going to be part 1 of 10. And then the next thing we need to do is paste in our video. So we click on the page, we go to Thrive codes, and we'll look for responsive video, and then we go YouTube, and we put in the video URL of our YouTube video. Don't worry about clicking any of the rest of these boxes, and press insert. Then below the video we're going to add some text just to explain a little bit about what's going on in the video, and any affiliate links we want to put in there for people to get extra information. We'll click that and put that in there. So what I need to do now is put the links in. So I go over and go to pretty links. So as you can see, I've already added the links in that I want to put in for my links to Namecheap in here. And we go back to our post, and where it says click here to go to Namecheap to register your new domain name, just highlight that. I go to the anchor or the chain and click in, put in my link. Opening a new tab, and that's it, the link's in. So what I might do is bold in Namecheap and domain, new domain name. And I said it's best option for buying your domain name if you're using a hosting company other than Namecheap. So if you're, the next thing we want to do is put an affiliate link into the Namecheap hosting account. We highlight the text, go to the chain and put our link in, click on the cog, and then link in a new tab, and that's it done. I'll also highlight register and Namecheap hosting, and I'll also highlight click here on both of them as well. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. We'll save the draft. preview. We've got our title, part 1 of 10, how to point your new domain name to your web hosting account. We've got the video, and we've got the text below the video, and we've also got the comments area for people to leave a comment. So we still need to go back in here and click on training is going to be our category, untick uncategorized. We're not doing anything else to it, and we'll click publish. And now once we've got it published, we'll go to appearance, menus, and we will go to the top menu. Yep, we're on top primary menu. We'll go to categories, training, and add to menu. And you can see it popped in here. So I want it just to be before the contact page. Then we'll go down into here. The navigation label will put free training, and we'll highlight the menu item, and we'll click save. So now if we go over to our website and refresh, which you'd see the new categories popped up in the menu. If we click on it, we have our first post, which is how to point domain name to web hosting. So we've got the featured image, and we've also got the video image, so it looks a wee bit cluttered. So what I'm going to do is go back in posts, all posts, and we'll edit the post. And in here, just above the video, we'll put insert read more tag, update. So hopefully now all we will see is featured image and the title. Yep, that's perfect. And then when we put another post, it'll sit below it with its featured image and its title. You can also put in a paragraph or two above the video just to describe it if you wish. Continue reading, and then that'll take us to our blog post. Okay, thanks for watching.